Hi, my name is Blue. This is my friend Red. Say hi, Red. Hi. What do you want to do today, Red? I don't know. Oh, look, it's Yellow. He's a baby. I'm a baby. Feed me. Oh, look, it's Green. He's mentally disabled. I really like kitchen counters. Oh, look, it's Purple. He's a builder. I'm making a hairbrush. We are friends. Yay. Hey, Red! What do you want to do today? I have no idea, Blue. Hey, why don't we go to the movies? Sure, Blue. Okay, let's get in my conveniently placed car. I'll drive. Come on, Red. I'm sure it'll be fine. It's not like we're gonna get pulled over or anything. Okay, now time to go to the movies.
Man, this is such a beautiful day. I like standing out here. Wait, what is that?
That's reckless driving. I must stop them. Man, I sure like driving. Uh-oh.
Stop in the name of the law!
What's the problem, officer? I was driving so smoothly.
Sir, I'm gonna need to see your driver's license.
What's a driver's license?
Sorry, kid, I have to confiscate your vehicle until you get a driver's license.
Hey, Red, do you know what a driver's license is? I think you get it at the DMV.
Oh, okay. Hello, sir. Welcome to the DMV. May I take your order?
Yes, I would like a driver's license.
Well, diddly darn. Looks like you're gonna have to earn that. So, drive around the track and let's see if you can do it.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Oh my god, Blue, calm down!
I'm sorry, I can't help it.
What, for the love of God, slow down!
I'm sorry, sir, I can't. Sir, can you give me my driver's license now?
Sure, why not? The thing, congratulations!
I got my driver's license!
Yeah, you sure did, kid. Now get out of my DMV.
Hey, Red! I just got my driver's license! Oh, wow, really? Now we can go to the movie! Hey, Red, now that I think about it, do I go a bit overboard when driving?